Everyone, welcome to CloudMass. Today we will learn how to create our own S3 bucket. S3 bucket is simple storage service given by AWS where you can store and retrieve your files. There are many more different functions with the S3 bucket that you can use, but today we will keep our discussion limited to uploading and downloading of files. So as you can see here, I have our one S3 bucket created. So let's create one more. So after clicking on create bucket, choose general purpose bucket. It will create S3 standard bucket. So here you can write your bucket name. So this name should be unique across all of the AWS. So it will show one red icon if you try to create a bucket name similar to an account. So this one seems unique. So let's go down. ACL we will keep disabled. We will for now block all public access to our bucket. We will only allow bucket access from our own IAM credentials. We will disable the bucket versioning. We will keep server-side encryption with S3 managed keys, and we will enable bucket key using an S3 bucket key. It will help reduce cost by minimizing calls to KMS. So let's create our bucket. So okay, this particular bucket is created. So let's go on our terminal and type AWS S3 list -- profile S3 user. This particular user have permissions of full S3. So as you can see, our new bucket is also visible now. So let's see if we have anything in our new bucket. For that, in the list command, type S3:/ bucket name. So currently we don't have anything in our bucket. Let's create one sample file. This is a sample file. Okay, above command. So now we will upload our sample file to our bucket. Copy sample.txt to a bucket. Okay, so here it says it is uploaded. So let's check whether this is uploaded or not. So yeah, this one file is uploaded to S3. So this is one way to check whether this file is uploaded or not. And there's one more way, using directly console. So here you can see sample.txt file is also visible from console. You can download this file using selecting this file and then clicking on download, or you can download by using terminal command. So let's go ahead and delete this particular file. We don't have any file currently. Go on to copy command. From now we will copy from our S3 to our local server. Let's type name correctly. So here you can see it is downloaded. We have our file, and this one is the same file. So that's all for S3 upload and download. Thank you.